What's up everyone, James Jernigan here, and I want to show you real quick how you can increase the likelihood of every single person who sees your short videos actually coming to your website and buying your product. So real quick before I do that, if you want to follow along and do exactly what I'm showing you in this video all on your own, all you have to do is click the green link right below this video that you're watching right now where it says go high level, and you'll be able to grab the exact software that I'm using to do everything I show you here. Now, it's going to be very expensive for you to do that, and there is a better way, which is exactly what I'm going to explain to you in this video. But like I said, you can grab the free trial for 14 days, but the thing is, after that, this software is going to cost you $297 a month. So if you multiply that by 12, that's $3,564 a year. Now what's very important is what I'm going to break down in this video is I'm going to show you how to cut that price more than in half and actually get the results you want with just basically clicking one button and typing a few sentences. So if that sounds good, let's go. So this is the process I'm talking about. Like I said, I want to show you how to increase the likelihood of every person who sees your video buying your product by 30x. So here's exactly how I'm going to do that. I'll just draw out the process here. So here is a short video. I'll put a little play button on here. So that's a phone screen with a play button, right? This is a short video. So ultimately what we want to do is get people over here to your link that makes you money. So whether you're promoting an affiliate offer or whether you have a small business, it doesn't matter. That's the goal. We want to get people from the short video over here to the link that makes you money. But this is what most people get wrong. Most people just make the video and they tell people, hey, go to this link. But then what happens? The person bounces. They don't end up buying the product. They either come back over here to TikTok or YouTube to scroll more videos, or they go to your competitor and buy their product, which is not what you want. So I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. And we're going to do that using this software called Go High Level. So I want to make an offer for you here today. I'm willing to set all of this up for you, and here's exactly what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to make it so that when people watch your videos, instead they come to a super simple landing page. It's going to have a title and a little description of your offer, and then there's going to be a box where somebody can enter their email address to get more information about whatever you sell. So I'm going to set that up for you, and then after that I'm going to set up a sequence of 30 automated emails that go out to them, one every day for the next 30 days. Now, what's so important about this is each one of these automated emails is going to send this person back to your product. Each one is going to have a link to your product, your service, or your affiliate offer. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. They're going to see your video, and then they're going to come over here to your landing page and enter their email, at which point they'll be redirected to your product. But if they then bounce and come back over here to TikTok to watch more videos without buying your product, that is totally okay, because tomorrow they're going to get another email, and then the next day they're going to get another email. So no matter what business you're in, following up with your customers is one of the most important things you can do to make a sale. And once you grab this software, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like I said, if you want to do this all on your own, click the green button that says go high level. But if you want me to set this up for you, click any of these buttons that say I'm ready. And so, like I said, what I'm going to do is you'll get set up with one of these accounts. Like I said, if you Google this, how much does high level cost? The basic plan, it's really limited, starts at $97 a month. The unlimited plan, there you can see, is $297 a month. So if we multiply $297 by 12, that's $3,564. But you don't have to pay that at all. You can pay less than half of that, and what you're going to get is an unlimited account. So this is what it's going to look like when you get your account. But if you go through the I'm ready link on my page, like I said, I'll set all this up for you, so you'll get access to this sent to your email as soon as you pay. And you're welcome to log in. It's your account. You can log in and do whatever you want with it, but I'm just going to ask that you sit back and wait for 7 days, because what I'm going to do is come in here, and first I'm going to click this button that says sites, and then I'm going to click this button that says new funnel, and here you can see I have one already built here inside of my account. This is what it looks like. I'm going to actually build you a landing page where people can come enter their email address to get more information about your product, or if you have a lead magnet or a free giveaway, or if you do free estimates, whatever it is that however you want me to position your product, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create this page, and then I'm going to come over here to the tab that says marketing. And if you look here inside of the tab that says marketing, there's a tab that says emails, campaigns. I'm going to click that. And then I'm just going to click this button that says create email campaign. And so what I'll do in here is I'll actually go and type out your first 30 sales emails. Obviously I'm going to use AI to help me do this, and the reason I'm going to use AI is because between humans and AI we can really leverage the power of what we know about marketing in the past and what's effective, and I can apply that to your specific offer. I can do that in a very short amount of time and get you an email sequence set up that will reach out to your customers every single day for the next 30 days, reminding them to come back and buy your product. So again, this is what that looks like visually, and this is what I'm going to set up for you inside of your high level account. So like I said, all you have to do to get started is click the I'm ready button, and this price will not be this low for long, so make sure you jump on this now. But I'm going to reserve this for the first 5 people who claim this offer. For $1,200, I will not only give you an unlimited Go high level account for a year, again, which right there is going to save you a lot of money, because if you do this on your own, you're going to be paying $3,564 for this exact same account that I'm going to give you for $1,200. But not only am I going to give you the account, I'm actually going to go inside your account for you, set up your landing page and your first email sequence of 30 days. And then as a bonus, I'm actually going to go and create your first 7 promotional videos, so that all you have to do is upload these videos in 4 places. You're going to upload it on TikTok, you're going to upload it on YouTube as a short, you're going to upload it on Facebook and Instagram as a reel, and that's it. It'll take you less than 10 minutes to do that. So for the next week, you'll have a brand new piece of content to upload to these platforms, which will encourage people through a call to action to come to the landing page that I've created for you and enter their email, so that they now see your product 30 times instead of just the once, where if you just told them, hey, go to my website. So if that makes sense, if you see the value in this, if you don't want to pay full price $3,564 for an account and then go spend hours learning how to use it and set it up, if you just want to get a year's worth of the highest Go high level account you can have for $1,200, and you want me to set it up for you, then you know what to do. Click the button that says I'm ready, and I can't wait to get started sending more leads to your business. Take it easy, everybody.